Number 5. The FCX 24 Lemur is a compact yet powerful RC crawler designed to deliver impressive off-road performance with a blend of scale realism and rugged functionality. Built on a durable chassis, it features a 1/24th scale size that makes it highly portable while still capable of handling challenging terrain with ease. Its high-torque motor and advanced 4WD drivetrain provide excellent crawling capabilities, allowing it to tackle rocks, dirt, and uneven surfaces effortlessly. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb shocks and maintain stability, ensuring smooth movement even over obstacles. With beadlock wheels paired with grippy all-terrain tires, it achieves superior traction and control in a variety of conditions. The realistic body design adds to its charm, giving it a lifelike appearance that appeals to hobbyists and collectors alike. Precision steering, responsive throttle control, and a well-balanced weight distribution make it enjoyable for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts, offering a versatile and reliable crawling experience. Number 4. The FCX 1/18th is a truly versatile RC crawler that has been carefully designed to bring together durability, performance, and scale realism in one compact package, making it an exciting choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. Its 1/18th scale strikes the perfect balance between portability and capability, offering a size that's easy to carry and store while still being large enough to tackle a wide range of terrains. Whether you want to drive it around your living room, set up a small indoor crawling course, or take it outside to rocky paths, trails, or gravel tracks, this crawler is built to perform in every environment. At the heart of its capability lies a strong and sturdy chassis engineered to withstand demanding conditions. Unlike many smaller RC models that feel fragile, the FCX 1/18th offers a solid, confidence-inspiring build that makes it feel like a scaled-down version of a full-size crawler. This rugged frame not only adds durability, but also provides excellent stability and balance when navigating over rocks, roots, and uneven surfaces. Power comes from a high-performance motor paired with a reliable four-wheel drive drivetrain, delivering strong torque and climbing ability that allows it to conquer challenging inclines and technical terrain with ease. The drivetrain works seamlessly to distribute power to all four wheels, ensuring maximum traction, even when one or more wheels are lifted off the ground during tough climbs. This feature makes it ideal for true crawling experiences, where grip and torque are far more important than outright speed. The FCX 1/18th is also equipped with a highly effective multi-link suspension system that provides outstanding articulation. This means each wheel can move independently, adjusting to the shape of rocks, logs, or any obstacle in its path. Paired with oil-filled shocks, the suspension does an excellent job of absorbing bumps and impacts, helping the crawler stay planted and stable even in rugged conditions. These shocks not only enhance control, but also make driving smoother, reducing the chances of rollovers when navigating uneven ground. Tires are another crucial part of any crawler, and the FCX doesn't disappoint. It features beadlock wheels wrapped in soft, high-traction tires that provide impressive grip across different surfaces. Whether you're crawling over slick rocks, loose dirt, or coarse gravel, the tires adapt to the terrain, maximizing contact and ensuring you can move forward without unnecessary wheel spin. The beadlock design also means the tires are securely fastened, so they won't slip off under pressure, giving you confidence to push the crawler to its limits. Beyond performance, the FCX 1/18th also stands out for its attention to detail and scale realism. Its body has been carefully designed to look authentic, complete with realistic lines, scale details, and optional accessories that enhance its visual appeal. This makes it more than just an RC vehicle. It's also a miniature model that captures the spirit of full-size off-road crawlers. Whether you're driving it or simply admiring it on display, Number 3. The FCX24M is an advanced RC crawler that combines a compact design with high-performance features, delivering an experience that feels both realistic and exciting for hobbyists of all levels. As a 1/24th scale model, it's small enough to be enjoyed indoors, yet powerful and capable enough to tackle rugged outdoor terrains. This makes it one of the most versatile crawlers in its class, bridging the gap between portability and serious off-road performance. Whether you want to set up a technical crawling course in your living room or take it outside to dirt trails, rocky paths, or even small backyards, the FCX24M adapts seamlessly to any environment. At its core, the crawler is built on a strong, yet lightweight chassis that provides both durability and stability. This robust platform ensures that the vehicle can withstand the challenges of crawling while remaining agile and responsive. Unlike many small-scale RC models that feel fragile, the FCX24M is engineered to give you confidence, performing more like a scaled-down version of a full-size crawler and a simple toy. Its frame is not only tough, but also carefully designed to distribute weight evenly, a key factor in achieving balance and control on steep climbs and technical maneuvers. And performance comes from its efficient motor and dependable four-wheel drive drivetrain. The drivetrain ensures consistent power delivery to all four wheels, allowing the crawler to maintain traction even in demanding situations. With its strong torque and impressive climbing ability, the FCX24M can tackle steep inclines, loose dirt, gravel, and rocky terrain without hesitation. This reliable power system. Number 2, the FCX18LC8O brushless, is a high-performance RC crawler that combines scale realism with advanced engineering, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts who demand both power and detail. Designed in 1/18th scale, it features the iconic LC80 body style that brings a true-to-life appearance, enhanced with scale accessories and realistic proportions. Underneath the body, a robust brushless motor provides exceptional torque and smooth power delivery, giving it the strength to climb steep inclines and crawl over rugged terrain with ease. Its 4WD drivetrain ensures consistent traction, while the multi-link suspension system and oil-filled shocks deliver excellent articulation and stability, even on uneven surfaces. The crawler is equipped with beadlock wheels and soft compound tires that maximize grip across dirt, rocks, and loose gravel, ensuring precise control in challenging conditions. With responsive proportional controls, durable construction, and a balanced chassis design, the FCX18LC8O brushless offers an impressive blend of scale detail and powerful crawling capability, making every drive feel like a realistic off-road adventure. Number 1. The FCX24 Power Wagon is a rugged and stylish RC crawler that captures the essence of classic off-road design while delivering modern performance. Features in a compact 1/24th scale package. Built on a durable chassis, it is powered by a high-torque motor paired with a dependable 4WD drivetrain, giving it the strength and precision needed to tackle steep climbs, rocky trails, and uneven terrain with confidence. Its multi-link suspension system and coilover shocks provide impressive articulation, ensuring smooth handling and stability over obstacles, while the beadlock wheels and soft, high-traction tires enhance grip and control in a variety of conditions. The detailed Power Wagon body, with its aggressive stance and vintage-inspired styling, adds an authentic and eye-catching look that appeals to scale enthusiasts and collectors. With responsive steering, proportional throttle control, and excellent balance, the FCX24 Power Wagon offers an engaging and realistic crawling experience that combines durability, capability, and classic styling in one compact crawler.